Python course. So, as promised you, today we will learn about indexing in Python. So, first let me enable this feature toggle screencast mode. The shortcut is here, Ctrl+Shift+P. Yes, okay. Now, I am showing you guys. First things first, what is indexing? See, in a list, like I'm taking a list. Okay, list is equals to this thing and 5 4 true and then the string like Microsoft and string also Dsoft, you know, my company. Okay, Dsoft. Okay, so what is indexing? So basically indexing is to navigate in a list, like I'm showing you here, like I'm commenting this thing now, like tab. Like indexing in programming terms means to navigate the elements in a list or a set or string, anything guys. So first we are starting with list. So in programming, indexing start with 0 and dot up to the elements in the list. So 1 2 3 and 4. Here guys, so this one is error, so okay. And now I would be printing this. I would be printing the list, print list. Sorry guys, this was my means what will I tell you? I practice, so this one was that one. Let me clear this. Wait guys. Now let me do this. Okay, this one is that last videos. Sorry guys for interruption. Okay, so yes guys, see 5 0 number index, 4 true, this one is 2 3 Microsoft, and these are 4. Now to show you guys the length feature I am introducing here, which shows the length of the list, I will show you a proof. Wait guys, of this, like length shows the length of the list, like list yes. Oh sorry, I have not printed it. Print. So yes, print len list. Now I am showing you. Now when length is printed, there 0 is not taken. So 1 2 3 4 5 is there. Naturally it is 5, but in programming without len it will not print. Just I wanted to show you the len feature, means not proof. Also we cannot say like a proof, 50% proof 50% not. Okay, so you have learned also the len feature. Now here 0 1 2 3 4, this is the elements, number of elements here. Now to access a list by using index. Okay, before that I would like to show you negative indices. This is also index. Don't think like rocket science, okay guys. This is not too much difficult. So negative indices, I'm showing you negative indices. Okay. So this was the this indexing. Now negative indices, like here list is there. We would like we have to like do this. Here negative indices, like this one I would like to move here. Yes. Now let me show it. Like hash. This one would be like this. Hash. Zero. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This one is the index. Okay, you have learned this positive one. It is always in, but negative indices, as in the term you have heard, negative indices. Okay, so to do that, we are going to do negative values. So, like, you guys don't take the 0 and ulta it. Okay, ulta. Now, like, you have to think from backwards. Like here it would be 1. You guys saw backwards, full backwards. Okay. Here is minus 2. Here is negative 3. And here is negative 2. And here is negative 1. Okay, guys. Let me just move this space as creates means too much hazard. Means sorry guys, this is 4 and this is 5. Yes, now correct. This is 5, not 1. Okay. So like this negative indices, 0 is not there. You have to think like this. So you have to access. Okay. Now to accessing. Now let's move to accessing. Okay. So accessing is indexing. So both I will show you. This is indexing. First I am showing you accessing using indexing. So let's show you guys list. First we like list and this square bracket to write the number of the element, means the index actually. So like we want to access this Microsoft one, that is number 3. Okay guys, and another one I would like to show you, that is 4. This is positive indexing. So see Microsoft this one is 3. See Microsoft Dsoft 4, and another proof I would like to show you. Here like 0. 0th index really exists. See guys. So guys 5. Okay. Now accessing using indexing. Negative indices. Accessing using negative indices. Okay. So I would like to show list. Simple guys. This negative index you have to write. Like negative 5 I want to write. This one would print 5. Sorry. Negative 5. And another one I would like to print like negative 2. Another one negative 1. Another all, no, not all. Okay, so same, no? All those things same. Positive indexing. This positive, negative. Same thing guys, just the ulta you think of negative indices. Like 5 here. 5 will print this 5. 2 this one. This Microsoft, and 1 this one. Like 4 here like this. Okay guys. So this was for this video. Thank you guys. Bye.